Here we are going to start algebraic identities. What is meant by algebraic identity? The algebraic identities in a algebraic equations which are or satisfies the all real values on both sides. So LHS side and RHS side are always equal for the given values. Such equation what we call as identities. So let us start the algebraic identity is named as a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square formula you know that a square plus 2ab plus b square. So mathematically we can prove it a plus b whole square as a plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b, we can write a plus b as whole square. So now we can simplify this a plus b into a plus b as a into a plus b plus b into a plus b. So on simplification you will get a into a square plus ab plus ba plus b square, which is equal to a square plus ab and ba both are equal. That's why we can write in place of ba as ab plus 2ab plus b square. This is the mathematical proof. Now for more interesting, we can prove this one as geometrical proof. By using geometry, we can prove that a plus b whole square formula by using geometrical shapes like square and rectangles. So observe that here we have one square is there, the square shape, the board is there, where its length is a units and breadth also a units. I am taking this square to prove that a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. See how I fit on the board, and also taking two rectangles whose length is a units and breadth is b units. So let us fix like this, and also let us fix like this, and also one more small square whose side length is b units, so whose area is b square units. Let us fix like this. So children, observe that. So what do you observe that here total length of this geometrical shape. So length is here a plus b. So here also breadth is also a plus b. So length and breadth both are equal. So it might be a square. Okay. So a plus b into a plus b, the area of the square you know that side into side, which is side square. Nothing but a plus b whole square. The area of the square is a plus b whole square. Right. Now we are going to prove this. How? A plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square by geometrical proof. See here area of the square is a square and area of the one rectangle is b is the breadth and length is also a unit. The area is ab square unit. Similarly here observe that b is the breadth of the rectangle and length is also similarly as above a units. This is also ab square units, and small square is also observed that whose length and breadth which is equal to b units and which is b square. So now finally area of this entire square is side into side, that is a plus b into a plus b, nothing but a plus b into a plus b, nothing but a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus ab plus ab to ab plus b square. In this way we can prove the a plus b whole square as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Thank you.